Hi guys! Today I go the natural approach is language teaching method developed by Stephen Crescent and Tracy Terrell in the 1918. It is based on how people naturally acquire the first language, focusing on understanding the language before producing it. Communication focuses learning and encourage to acquire the language natural, like children by listening and understanding first.
The natural approach is grounded in Christian theories of second language acquisition, particularly this input hypothesis, which posits these language learners acquire language most effectively when they are exposed to comprehensible input, language that is slightly above their current proficiency level. The method also emphasizes the importance of affective factors, such as motivation and anxiety, in the language learning process. The natural approach prioritizes meaningful communication and interaction over formal grammar instructions, allowing learners to develop their language skills organically.
Now I'm going to describe some natural approach. There exists a lot of type of natural approach, but some of them are stand up. This used to ask students to usually to participating in the class. Another is raise your hands. This this is used to ask students raise your hands, usually to make a comment or participating in class. Another is open your books. This is used to ask students open your book in a specific page, usually to follow a lesson or an activity. Another is clap your hands. This is used to ask students clap your hands, usually to show appreciation or enthusiasm. Another is sit quiet. This is used to ask students sit quiet and in silence, usually to have a comfortable place.
Low anxiety. The focus on communication rated on formal assessment, reduced anxiety, natural acquisition, mimics first language learning. Engagement encourage active participation and engagement through meaningful interaction. Cultural context provides opportunities to learn about cultural nuances and context.
Challenges and limitations of the natural approach method. Lack of structure. Some students may struggle without explicit grammar instructions and may feel lost without clear guidelines. Vary learning paces. Students progress at different rates, which can make it challenging to address individual needs in a mixed ability classroom. Difficulty with accuracy. Students may prioritize communication over grammatical accuracy. Dependence on input. Students need to be exposed to a lot of authentic language to learn effectively.
The silent way helps students learn on their own using objects to show language ideas. The teacher does not tell much, so students find language rules by themselves. The natural approach has more teacher told and listening before speaking.
Suggestions for implementation in different contexts. In the classroom setting, we can use role-playing, storytelling, and interactive games. These activities help to create a rich language environment. It's also helpful to use visual and real objects to support students' understanding. Second, in online learning. When we work in online, it's important to include video content, um, virtual discussion, and interactive platforms. These tools provide comprehensible input and encourage communication among students. Finally, mixed proficiency groups. We can pair higher students level with beginners and to promote peer learning and helps to create a more inclusive environment.